Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Art of Mathematica. Students, today I am going to do actually chapter 6 class 7. Definitely this is a class 7 video. Chapter 6 means algebraic expression. This is the third part. Those who have not seen, so definitely this is the third part. Those who have not seen first and second part, you can get the link above the I button, or in the description also you can get all the videos. And otherwise you can go and check in my playlist, you will get all the videos. So in that part, that means part 3, I am going to start from question number 7. So let's start. So that question number 7, it is told, find the area of a rectangle whose sides are 2a and 3a. So length is, suppose I am taking length is 3a and breadth is 2a. So you all know that I have to find the area, no? So area means what? Suppose this is the length and this is the breadth. So you all know area of a rectangle is equal to what? Length into breadth. Perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth, but area is what? Length into breadth. So for us, length value, I can actually, the longer side should be the length, and that this one is breadth. So for me, length is what? 3a, because in a rectangle opposite sides are same. So length is what? Or this is also length, no? So length for us, length equals to what? 3a, and breadth equals to what? That equals to only b. In the place of b, I can write 2a. So you can see this is a both are monomial, single term over there, so both are monomial. So what to do? Just simply multiply their numerals. Before that, I have to multiply their sign. So that is no sign means plus, and that is also plus. So plus plus plus, and that 3 2s are 6. Numeral I have to multiply. After that, a and a. Though what is the power? Nothing means 1, and there is also 1. So a into a, that is a square. So 6a square is the area of the rectangle. So now we are going to see that how to write the statement and how to solve the sum. So now I have to write that let the length of the rectangle be 3a, because they have told two sides are 2a and 3a. So nothing mentioned. So bigger one I have taken length, and the smaller one I have taken breadth. So we all know that what the area of the rectangle is what? Area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So length is what? 3a and breadth is 2a. So now only I have done the calculation. So sign is over there plus, so plus plus plus. So now I have to multiply their numerals. 2 3s are 6, and a into a square, and unit should be square unit. So guys, why I have written here unit? Nothing given, centimeter, meter, nothing has been given. So I have taken only unit. So definitely area unit is what? Square unit. In the place of area, when I have written area, no, definitely there should come square unit. Like suppose in the place of unit I have written suppose centimeter, so that should be square centimeter, like this. So this is the answer. Now question number 8 and question number 7, very similar sum. So let's do that. So now question number 8, very similar as question number 7. So it is told, find the area of a rectangle, again the rectangle shape. So first let me draw the rectangular shape. Okay, so we all know this is length, and that one, the smaller one, is breadth. So now it is told, find the area of the rectangle whose length is thrice its breadth, where breadth is 4x. So that means here, that what is the difference between question number 8 and question number 7? That question number 7 directly length and breadth value has been given, but here the relation between length and breadth has been given, directly not given. So first we have to find the length and breadth. So one has been given, that is breadth. So in the question it is given that breadth is what? That is 4x. Okay. And another relation given whose length is thrice its breadth. That means what is the value of breadth? Length is what? 3 times of the breadth. Understood? Thrice means 3 times. So suppose breadth is, suppose if breadth is x, then length is what? 3 times, means 3 into x, that is 3x. Understood? So that means here in place of x it is given 4x. So what is the breadth? So breadth means 3 times of breadth. Breadth means what? 3 into breadth means 4x. So that means I have to multiply the numerals. 3 4s are 12 plus plus plus. Now that is x. So 12x is the length and breadth is 4x. How to find? Understood now? So now I am going to write the statement. So it is given breadth of the rectangle is what? 4x. So therefore length of the rectangle equals to what? 3 times of its breadth, means thrice of its breadth. That means 3 into that 4x. Understood now? Because 3 times of or one more step I am going to do, that 3 into breadth. Okay, now 3 into, now what is the value of breadth? That is 4x. So 3 into 4x unit I can write over there. Now 3 4s are 12. Numeral number I have to multiply. There is only one variable that I have to write over there. Okay. Now that is the value of the length and this is the breadth. So now guys, we know what? Nothing. Yeah, we know that area of the rectangle, because I have to find the area. So area of the rectangle equals to what? Area of the rectangle equals to length into breadth. Okay guys, I am going to write over there length into breadth, the same formula. So chalo, let me rub this first. Now length value is what? 12x. I have to write, then into. Now breadth value is what? 4x. It is given in your book. That square unit equals to, now what to do? Just first multiply their sign. Sign means both are positive, so only positive will come over there. So now numeral sign I have to multiply. 12 4s are 48. Okay. Now x and x. Tell me, x and x, the same number multiplied by the number itself. So x square, no, or you can say there is power is 1. So in between into. So what to write? 1 plus 1, that is x square. So here x square unit. Okay. So guys, this is the answer. So area of the rectangle is equals to 48 x square unit. Okay. Now question number 9. So students, that question number 9, the last question in that in this worksheet, means worksheet 1, ekdam same. But means there is no difference between question number 7, 8 and 9. But only difference that in the first the direct value has been given, length and breadth value has been given directly. The second, it is given like thrice of that, twice of that, like this, means multiplied form. मीन्स अगर एक होगा x तो और एक होगा 3x ऐसा. अब यहाँ पे जो है ना एक्सपोनेंशियल जो प्रॉपर्टी है उसको हमें अप्लाई करना है. लाइक आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू रीड द क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल हुज ब्रेथ इज b. So that is b. I am going to write one by one. So that is b. And length is square of breadth. So length is what? What is the value of breadth? That square. Now tell me, if x is the value, its square value is what? X square means power should be 2. You all know, means the number multiplied by itself, then only you will get the square number. Like 5 square is what? 5 into 5 equals to 25, like this. No? So this is the square of 5. So same number multiplied by, means the number multiplied by itself, it is called square number. So here b is the number. So what is the length? b into b, square of the breadth. Understood now? Square of the breadth means b into b. Now tell me, what is this? B square I can write in the place of b into b, I can write b square. So this is our length and this is the breadth. This is the only difference. Okay. So now we are going to write the statement. So what has been given? That is breadth. So breadth of the rectangle, and that is, this is the question number 9. Breadth of the rectangle equals to what given? That is b. Any unit has been given? No. So I am taking again unit. Okay, so now next, therefore length I have to find, no, length of the rectangle equals to what? The relation given, again I am telling you, that square of the breadth. So if breadth into breadth, okay, so breadth into breadth, that means what? B into B, that means B square unit. So this is the length and this is the breadth, these two value. Now what is the area? We have to write first, we know nothing. Now we know that area of the rectangle equals to what? Length into breadth. That equals to, now length is what? B square and breadth is what? B. Now bases are same, so and in between into sign over there, so I have to add the power, that is 2 plus 1, that is B cube square unit. So this is the answer of question number 9. So area of the rectangle is equals to B cube square unit. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And तब तक के लिए take care and goodbye.